Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the Dark Tunnel VPN app. If you're new here, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends so you don't miss out on more helpful tutorials like this one. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website to continue. Once you're on the home page, look for the menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, usually at the top corner of the page. Click on it to open the list of available options. From the menu, select V2Ray Server. You'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, simply enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot, and then click Create Now. Within seconds, your server account will be created, and the server details will appear on your screen. Now, copy the V2Ray server configuration and save it to your clipboard. Next, open the latest version of the Dark Tunnel VPN app. If you don't already have it installed, you can easily download it from the Play Store. On the app's home screen, tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner to expand the menu. From there, choose Config File, then click Import. Select Clipboard to automatically import the server details you copied earlier. Once the data is successfully imported, go back to the main screen and tap the Connect button. Within a few seconds, your V2Ray VMess server will connect successfully, giving you a secure and high-speed internet connection. If you want to customize further, tap the pencil icon to modify the settings or add an SNI based on your location. Once you've adjusted the settings, click Save and then reconnect to enjoy a stable and fast internet experience. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.